Cricket lovers, gear up. We're diving into one of the most thrilling clashes of the T20 World Cup 2024. It was an electrifying Sunday in Guyana as the West Indies dominated Uganda with a staggering 134-run victory. Leading the charge was none other than Akeal Hosein, whose jaw-dropping 5-wicket haul left fans cheering and opponents in awe. But that's not all. The batting lineup was on fire too, with Johnson Charles and Andre Russell smashing the ball to all corners, pushing the score to a challenging 174. As Uganda took to the pitch, the pressure was palpable, but the Caribbean bowling attack was relentless. Alzari Joseph claimed 2 wickets, while Romario Shepherd, Andre Russell and Gudakesh Moti each added 1 to their tally, bundling out Uganda for a mere 39 runs. It was a display of sheer dominance, with every ball and every run telling a story of skill, strategy and spirit. This victory not only showcased the West Indies' formidable bowling and batting prowess, but also set them up as the team to watch in this tournament. So, cricket aficionados, stay tuned, because if this match was any indication, we're in for an exhilarating World Cup season.